Welcome to Knowledge Hub Visit. In this video, we will explore how to use prime factorization to determine the GCD and LCM of given numbers. First, what is prime factorization? It is the process of breaking a number down into the prime numbers that multiply together to form that original number. For example, 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3. There are two common methods to find prime factors: the factor tree method and the division method. Let's start with the factor tree method. We will find the GCD and LCM of 24 and 36. First, we break each number down into its prime factors. Let's learn how to find the prime factors of 24 and 36 using a factor tree. A factor tree helps us break a number into smaller factors until we are left with only prime numbers. Let's start with 24. We can split 24 into 2 and 12. Next, split 12 into 2 and 6. Then split 6 into 2 and 3. Now look at the numbers we have: 2, 2, 2, and 3. These are all prime numbers, so we stop here. So the prime factorization of 24 is 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now let's find the prime factors of 36. First, split 36 into 2 and 18. Next, split 18 into 2 and 9. Finally, split 9 into 3 and 3. Now we have 2, 2, 3, and 3. Since they are all prime numbers, our factor tree is complete. So the prime factorization of 36 is 36 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now that we've found the prime factors of both numbers, it's time for the next step, finding the GCD. Let's use the prime factors of 24 and 36. The prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2, and 3. The prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, and 3. Now comes the fun part. Look carefully at both lists and circle the prime numbers that appear in both. We can match 1, 2 from 24 with 1, 2 from 36. We can match another 2 from 24 with another 2 from 36. And we can also match 1, 3 from each number. These are the common prime factors. So our common prime factors are 2, 2, and 3. To find the GCD, we simply multiply only the common prime factors. So our common prime factors are 2, 2, and 3. Now, to find the GCD, we simply multiply only the common prime factors. 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. So the GCD of 24 and 36, 12. Now, let's find the LCM. The LCM is the smallest number that both numbers divide into exactly. To find the LCM using prime factors, take every prime factor, using the highest number of times it appears in either number. For 24 and 36, the prime factor 2 appears 3 times in 24 and 2 times in 36, so we use 3 2s. The prime factor 3 appears once in 24 and twice in 36, so we use 2 3s. Now multiply them. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equals 72. So the LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. Remember, GCD, multiply only the common prime factors. LCM, use every prime factor, taking the highest count of each. A quick trick to remember: for GCD, multiply the shared factors. For LCM, multiply everything using the highest power of each prime factor. Alternatively, you can use the division method. We will find the GCD and LCM of 60 and 75 by repeatedly dividing by the smallest prime numbers. Instead of drawing a factor tree, we'll divide the number by the smallest prime number until we reach 1. Finding the prime factors of 60, start with the smallest prime number, 2. 60 divided by 2 equals 30. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. 15 can't be divided by 2, so use 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 can't be divided by 3, so use 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. We've reached 1, so we stop. Prime factors of 60 to 2, 2, 3, 5. Now let's find the prime factors of 75. 75 can't be divided by 2, so use 3. 75 divided by 3 equals 25. 25 can't be divided by 3, so use 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. We've reached 1, so we're done. Prime factors of 75 to 3, 5, 5. Now that we've found the prime factors of 60 and 75, let's find the greatest common divisor, GCD. The GCD is the largest number that divides both numbers exactly. The prime factors are 60 to 2, 2, 3, 5. 75 to 3, 5, 5. Compare both lists. The common prime factors are 3 and 5. We don't use the extra 2 or 5 because they aren't common to both numbers. Now multiply the common prime factors. 3 times 5 equals 15. So the GCD of 60 and 75 is 15. Remember, multiply only the prime factors that both numbers have in common. Now, let's find the least common multiple LCM using prime factors. The LCM is the smallest number that both 60 and 75 divide into exactly. Remember, use every prime factor, taking the highest number of times it appears in either number. 2. Appears twice in 60 and not in 75, we use the highest count, 2 2s. 3. Appears once in both numbers, we use the highest count, 1, 3. 5. Appears once in 60 and twice in 75, we use the highest count, 2 5s. Now multiply them. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 equals 300. So, the LCM of 60 and 75 is 300. Great job! You've learned how to find both the GCD and LCM using prime factorization. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.